Okay, this video is going to be about makeup. It's going to be about the BoxyCharm and the things that I have gotten in BoxyCharm as versus to the things that I have gotten in Ipsy or Walmart or the dollar store. But I got this Tarte palette, see, went it from BoxyCharm, and it's got all of this product that I don't know how to use, but I'm learning that this was supposed to be for face, I guess, like bronzer and highlighting for your eyes, I think. But we're learning, and I'll find out. Okay, and then this is the Storybook palette that I got with my BoxyCharm. It was December that I got this. And it's got these pretty colors of red, Bad Wolf, basket. I can't pronounce that one. Journey, and Woods. Okay. And this one was BoxyCharm. I believe it was the one, I believe September palette. I mean, BoxyCharm that I got this palette in. And it's the Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. As you can see, I've been using it. I've been using it a lot. It has cream, sand, terracotta, gold, emerald, pink, dusty rose, plumberry, cinnamon, and black. And I'm fair skinned, so I haven't even used the black. I haven't used the green. Dusty rose, no. But I have used the pink, cream, sand, terracotta. Once I used cinnamon. Matter of fact, I'm going to try, and I'm going to use not the shader brush. It don't really matter which brush, I guess, but I want to try some of the cinnamon in my eyeshadow and see if it brings it out anymore. Oh yeah, I like that. Let me try it a little bit over here. Yeah, in the crease. Just put it in the crease and then just windshield wiper or circles. See, in the crease. Yeah, that brings it out a lot more. Okay. And let's get back to what we were doing. Okay. Oh, wow. Wait till you see this. This is the Tarte. And it's got Sunbeam, Explore, Daybreak. Let me see. I'll show them to you. This was from BoxyCharm, December. And let's just say there's a lot of pretty light colors. Earthy tones, too. I like that. Okay. Now, that's BoxyCharm. I also like, I guess some of you all have heard that the dollar store has come out with the beautiful makeup. And so this is the Beauty Intuition. Out of This World is what it's called. Eyeshadow palette. It's neat. It's got these colors, like, I love it. I mean, dollar store, but I'm telling you, Galaxy over here, right here, and Nebula, Lunar, Meteor, Solar, Nova, and Comet. And these colors, see, those are some neat colors. I believe I give $3 for this palette. And compared to for me, not for everybody, the BoxyCharm palettes, the Essentials, not the Storybook, but the Essentials palette from BoxyCharm, compared to the Beauty beautiful Intuition palette. I mean, you don't have to spend a bundle to do your eyes, because this is wonderful. Now, don't get me wrong, you can do a pretty look with it, but it's probably not going to last as long as the Essentials from BoxyCharm. So let's just put these back over here and make them stand up straight. And I'll show you a few more things that I've gotten in the BoxyCharm. You know, I don't even remember. I didn't really care for Ipsy well enough to even do an Ipsy again. So it was just those sample products that you get for, I don't know, $10, $12 a month. And BoxyCharm, you get like I believe it's five to six, but I think it was 5 products. They're all full-sized, good products. Oh, don't let me forget. I got this, it wasn't the December one, but it was, I think around February or March. But it's the Becca powder, and it's Becca Hydrate and Mist. And this powder, oh my gosh, this powder, let me open it. Yeah, I still have some, but it's a wonder because, wow. This powder is actually cool to the touch. And when you put it on your face, oh my goodness, you can feel the coolness. Let me put a little bit on. It feels, oh, it's cool. I mean, it's a refreshing, it feels cold. I have never in my life ever saw a powder like this. Wow. I know my lighting's not that good, but I'm trying my best. I got another light I can plug up. I don't know how much it'll help. Not much, but anyway, the Becca hydrating powder. Oh my goodness, you just haven't lived until you've tried it. Get that back in there, because you have to keep the lid on it for it to stay fresh and to keep the coolness of it. It's just wonderful. Get it back in here. Oh. Okay. Now, I said Walmart, didn't I? Okay. Let's go to a few of these eyeshadow palettes that I got from Walmart. And no, you don't have to spend a bundle to get decent products, but BoxyCharm, I just say, is my fave. Go to every time. But if you can't happen to not be able to do BoxyCharm, you can still make it work. You can make it work with, I got this one. It's a matte Maybelline New York at Walmart. And it's got some beautiful colors. It's got, well, let me do this one more time. You know, I can't even see what those colors are. I'll just show them to you. And you can do a pretty look with that. And it was like $10 at Walmart. And that's a pretty palette. And this one is LA Colors. And I guess you can see by all these colors what my favorites are. See, and that's a $10 palette from Walmart. It's a pretty decent palette. And the LA Colors Rose palette. Now, this is a pretty palette. See? So, the LA Colors also has the glitter palette. Let me open it. I don't have it on, but if I can get it open, that's a pretty palette. You can just glitter it right up. Let me put a little bit on my finger and put a little right across my eye. Can you see that? Maybe not because of the lighting. Across my eye. Oh, I love it. That's so pretty. It's got a little sparkly. I don't know about the lighting. I don't have a flashlight or anything. I'll do better lighting next time. I promise. Probably have to cut this video short because of that. Not having the best of Well, I found some dirty clothes. Dirty clothes. Presley, where are you at, baby? Good boy. He's asleep. Okay, now the Stay Matte Rimmel Liquid Mousse Foundation. I got this at not Walgreens, but CVS. But you can get this at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS. I guess you'd call it a drugstore makeup. But let me tell you, this is the best foundation that I've found yet. And I've never had a mousse. Never tried a mousse before. But this it's like mousse. It is so soft when you put it on. I am 49 years old. And it covers, I've got some little red splotches right here. And it covers. What did I do with my... Oh, I lose my... my finish powder brush all the time. But see, I just smooth that back across through there. Yes, it looks good. Okay. Now, some of my makeup is in my car, in my bag, that I forgot to bring in. So I'm just going to have to wing it on the makeup. I got the Face Forward, and it's blush on a stick. Can you see that? Now, I have that on, and I don't know how well that you can see, but this, as versatile powder, is the thing. It is good. And this is in the color Blush. You know, blush for blush. That's some good stuff, though, if you want to try that out. That's Walmart, CVS, Walgreens. You can get it at any of those places. Okay, since I am just starting to do makeup videos, I think that I'm going to cut this video short because I need to get my stuff together, get my makeup out of my car, and I need to start thinking about, like, a get ready with me, like doing my makeup from start to finish on camera, and watch some videos of how other people do it so I could figure this thing out. But I just wanted to introduce myself. My name's Penny, and I'm going to start doing, sometimes we'll have little talks, sometimes we'll do makeup, sometimes we'll cook, sometimes we'll do try-ons for clothes. We'll just get into a little bit of all of it. Sometimes my son will be here and he will be in the videos with me, and I might have him be the one to do my makeup, or I might put makeup on him. I mean, he don't wear makeup or anything. He is a guy, but he could be my model to where I can probably do better putting it on him than putting it on me. But anyway, we'll have some fun. We'll think up, sometimes we'll just have to be a you and me, and we'll just sit and talk. And when I get enough viewers, then I'll start being able to go live, and I'll start being able to do giveaways and do drawings, and we'll just have all kinds of fun. And I'll get to know some of you guys, and you all can get to know me better, and hopefully we'll become friends. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I'm changing it up, and you might want to subscribe. So just click the bell down below and turn on your notifications so that you'll know whenever I have posted a new video, and we'll start having some fun. And it was nice talking with y'all tonight and to just get our feet wet a little bit. But we're going to start having some fun on my channel. So please subscribe and leave a comment down below if you like. And thank you, and good night.